times I hold chamfer foil, this is one of the best thing ever that happened to my life when I do chamfer foil design. I'm not going to lie to you. It is, you have to experience it yourself in order for you to see it. 30 seconds only, okay? And if you are using the others, which is one of really my favorites too, this is my top favorites for the chamfer foil gels. If you do have to pick one item, I say, if you have to pick one item for the foil, okay? If you have like 1 or 2 pack of foil, if you need to pick one item in the section of foil mixture, you should check this one out because it will chamfer pretty much everything for you. It will never betray on you. Unless I put the foil in like wrong side. Then it's betrayed because there's nothing it can do. Okay, now I get confused now. What is that? Wait, I think it must be, hold on. Okay, I got it. Right there. So you're gonna using a really shiny size, that is yours, and then this is the matte ones on this. And usually I'm going right in the centers of this first. And then using my tweezers on the other ends, the dual end, give it a pressure sound. Do I miss anything?
You're good.
I try to see if I miss anything. If I miss it, hold on. If I miss it, like it right back up. Hold on. You can't even tell, but it's just me OCD.
Hold on. We need to go back in.
What happened?
Hour.
Is an hour ready? All right.
Say hi.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Nancy. I am so sorry I was like completely locked out and didn't realize that because we're trying to, oh, crap. I think I spilled that one.
Thanks.
So I did this 2 color.
Just leave it.
All right. Okay. I have the 2 colors just in case you're asking and curious. Okay. This doesn't do anything to me. Crimsons and then magenta. So I'm going to leave it on the side because it's I'm gonna using my toothpicks as well and just tape them all 4, 3 together. All right, let me see if I make sure I'm on.
No, you good. Keep going. Yeah.
All right. I am going to using this crimsons and create some stripes for this one.
Oh, I like that. Shooting star.
Yeah. And you can do the same thing
Yeah.
for the blue.
Blue gonna be the same size.
Okay,
Not
so
gonna be
flash
opposite.
here for 10 seconds first. So then it will smear the other. Is that good? All right, can I get that one, please? 10 seconds. I do it fast so then I can go into this. Is Magetics. Okay, I think I keep.
Yeah, so yeah, spin the red around. Yep.
All right. I think I dropped my foil.
No, you dropped the paper.
No, the foil for that, we're gonna do it later. Okay, here you go, everyone. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna key it for 30 seconds. Flash key it for this one.
Yeah, this one I'm gonna put some crystal on it.
Yep, I'm gonna put some crystal on it. And move this one. This is the two weaver gels. Is Magetics and Crimson's. I don't want to spill them anywhere. And move it right here. And here's my crystals. Okay, let me see what I have it in here. This feel weird because do you see my scarlet red? Some scarlet red. I couldn't find it though. Can you get me some red color?
Yeah, I'll get you red.
All right, so I am going to using condensed glue gel. It's not in here. I don't know where, but
Right here.
oh, okay, thank you. See, there's like my miles, 1,000 miles, and then I still can't find the red right in front of me. Like earlier, we were looking for the what is that? The neon pigment, and then we couldn't find it. It's right in front of us. All right, really thick density, everyone. So then I'm gonna blend it. Hey, what should we do? Shiny or matte?
This you had to go shiny.
Shiny.
Can go matte.
Okay. And then now we'll go right into the no wipe top coat. And floating on the top of this condensed glue gel, which is I haven't cured yet. This is will give the best finish when you're done. It's nice and smooth and completely cured and done and covered with the top coat, so you don't have to go in between each crystal and finishing the top coat after you're done. I need my picker. All right, so we'll do some. And I'm using my I think it's Blue Oceans crystal. Is that right?
Yeah. And yes, everyone, yes, please stay calm for that hurtful. I know it's super cute. It's really pretty. Give it a second. We want everybody to see the preview of the product first before we put it up. So stay with us. Don't run.
Don't run. What is that?
Oh, well, yes. This. The little cute heart one.
Oh, the heart one. Yes, the heart one is so awesome. You're able to. It's gonna be on live, like going live. I say, and shortly after we're done. So if you want anything else with this?
That's
Looks cute. You like it? Like a shooting star?
Just like that.
Okay, now we are going to cure this for 60 seconds.
Like fireworks.